What's up, guys? A short update on the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, because we have not only almost a new all-time high. Well, actually, in some exchanges, we even had an all-time high with something higher than this one, but we have a very interesting behavior, price action with Ether, and you probably know that we have already reached the previous highs. We actually broke those highs and new, well, not the ultimate one though, not the ultimate one, but still, like, we tested this area for many times, and now we actually are above that zone, and we had like almost a bull flag pattern, and the first target was about $4,400, and I would say we reached that target. Now the next one, which I doubt we will reach within this kind of formation, is almost $5,000, and currently, if we go and look at the kind of shorter time frame, then we'll see this also looks like a flag, and in fact it will lead us to almost $5,000 as well. So eventually I think this is the goal, and Ether actually shows quite of a bullish behavior, because we have this you see the kind of sharp growth, and then consolidation and narrow region, then another sharp growth, another consolidation, another sharp growth. This is very similar to what BTC showed before, and I think this is kind of way we would experience from now on for a while, meaning that this actually changed the trend. That trend was pretty bearish for a very long time, and now we see the complete reversal. So looks pretty bullish. Also, this made some changes with dominance, which also showing the trend to be kind of slowing down with rise. I would expect something like a previous well, you can call it mini alt season or something like that, when we had in the previous cycle kind of decline in dominance, then final growth in BTC, and then the major alt season. So we may be in somewhat in this area right now. So if so, we would experience much lower, well, relatively lower, not that much lower, but lower Bitcoin dominance, and then probably because of the high capitalization altcoins, and then we'd see the new rise, I would say even higher than this point, maybe to 75 or something percent. From that, we'll probably get the new altcoin season, where most of them will show those multiples and this major profits. Until then, short term, we'll need to look at the BTC price action, and we also had a very nice channel going downwards, and we actually broke this channel to the upside, and this breakout, after this breakout, we had this massive, well, not massive, but like a significant price increase, and now we are testing this channel from the top. The main point that we have the price kind of consolidation zone around $119,000, and we're trying to find support at that area. We have the support line here also probably will be broken to some extent, but I would expect somewhat around $117,000 will get the price reversal, and price will continue to test 120 again. That drop below $112,000 was pretty significant. This correction allowed the healthy recovery and continuation of the growth. So I would assume that although we didn't touch $110,000, that was still enough. I wanted this to happen, but to find support but price didn't go there. It's also normal. Also, first target was reached. That's good enough, but that means that probably we are consolidating here again, and then eventually we'll go higher. So that is the plan, and so far everything worked as expected, so I hope that it makes sense to you guys, and we'll see. We'll follow that trend, follow the price evolution, so I will keep you updated. Let me know if you have any questions. Also Telegram, Twitter, whichever. I will post next time, hopefully this week, but if nothing interesting happens, maybe next week, so I'll keep you updated. Not as frequent as before. I planned like every day, but it doesn't make much sense. So just relatively relatively frequent. So let me know if you need any if you want to ask any questions, and I'll try to keep my eye on messages. So far, that was so good. See you next time in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.